Now we're here at Yuma Tile and Design with Daniel Becerra. How are you doing?
Hey, I'm doing well. You rolled the R's. That was perfect.
Yes, he made me. He said I had to. So we're gonna go in his shop right now. He remodels bathrooms, kitchens. Look at all this beautiful tile. So let's go check it out.
Let's go.
So we are inside your showroom right here, Yuma Tile and Design. So tell me a little bit about the history of how you even got into doing tile.
Yeah, so tile's been kind of a long journey for myself. Technically a second generation tile contractor. I started with my father in San Diego as I was about 9-10 years old.
Okay.
And then I just decided to take it head on. This was in 2018 in San Diego, and then I moved here in Yuma, Arizona in 2022.
Is that where you're from, San Diego?
Originally from San Diego, yeah. So I decided, hey, it's a little too cold down there, so I wanted to, spark up the Fahrenheit.
You're one of the crazies. You like the heat?
No. So I kicked off my company here in 2022 and slowly and gradually started growing. And we opened up our showroom here in 2023. So it's been a slow and steady journey, but it's been great. This is one of the cool things we have here at the showroom. We call these our mood boards. So this gives us a good idea. If a client comes in, they're kind of undecisive or they just don't know what direction they're going in regarding color schemes, styles, etc., etc. This is kind of where we pull some of these boards out and we get an idea of color tones, finishes, whether it's a polished or a matte finish, or a decorative tile, right? So this gives our client a little better direction if they want to do a shower remodel, a tile, flooring, backsplash, you name it. Yeah, so I'm a tile contractor, so that consists of anything tile related, whether it's a complete house, upstairs, downstairs, anything pertaining to tile, specifically shower remodel is what we really do. Our first process is, hey Daniel, I'm looking to remodel my shower. At that point, then I'll go out to my client's home first. So then therefore I can gather all the information that I need regarding square footages, color schemes, etc., etc. That's our first step in our process. And then we glide into our free design consultation.
Okay.
And this is where the fun happens. This is where we're able to pick out all the materials, the color schemes, what we can do inside of the home.
Is it usually the wife deciding?
You know what? 99% of the time it's the wife.
So overall, how long does this take from like beginning consultation to finished product?
Yeah, so it can turn around very quickly dependent on how fast the client wants to move. But let's say in a perfect world, the client's like, hey, Daniel, we are ready to rock and roll. Let's push play. We typically will see a turnaround time from anywhere from 5 to 15 days. This is kind of where the fun happens. As I said, this is where the design consultation comes into play. This is an example of a shower remodel that we're going to do. We'll click on this. And you're gonna say, hey, Daniel, I really like this specific tile. Okay, at that point, we're gonna go through our material SKUs here and click any one that you like.
I'm not a fan of gray, but
okay.
Pick one for time.
Let's do some warm. Okay, we'll do something cool. So it's on the floor here. Okay, now we're gonna do it on the wall. So pick one for the walls. It's gonna load and then we're gonna see what it can look like in real time. Okay, this is a master shower remodel, okay? So I'm gonna grab my cool little mechanism here. I'm gonna click on this and we're gonna go over some of the details that the client wants to do. It's like, hey Daniel, like I like this, but I don't like the way it's configured. So okay, we're gonna remove this tub. We're gonna remove this wall, right? And we're gonna turn this into a huge shower, okay? So I'm able to use system software that can show me what we can do here. We're gonna move this over approximately 20 inches. We're gonna move the shower head here, right? So we're getting that visual and then we go back into the system and we're able to pick the tile material that we can do. So we wanna make sure that when the tile does get here, it's not broken and it's like, hey, we are ready for your project because we already QC'd every single thing on here.
And this is your big storage room.
This is my big storage room. Yeah.
Well, that wraps up our amazing showroom experience. Tell us where we're at.
All right, guys, so we are at our showroom located at 2998 South Sherry Avenue, zip code 85365. Come get your free design consultation now that you know what we do here and what type of materials we have in stock.
Thank you so much for showing us everything.
Hey, appreciate you for stopping by. Stay tuned.